How to create interesting text for Google Ads using WriteSonic. In order to do that, just head over and click on this advertising right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to click on this Google Display Ads. Click on that. And then from in here, it will ask for your product name. So for example, let's put in here Stanley Cup. So this is just an example. I don't actually own this particular product. And then you can put in here this next. Now, just put in here your key benefit, like if you want to automate marketing tasks, learn new skills, or easy online shopping, and for this case. Now, click on this next. And then in here, just put in here your target audience. For this one, I'll head over and choose sports fans, collectors, and gift shoppers. Now, click on next, and then you can put in here a call to action, like make a purchase. Now, click on this generate right here, and then this will generate a Google Ads text for me that will actually entice buyers to actually buy this. So we have in here this. They have some short headlines that you can choose from. Like for example, perfect hockey gift, authentic NHL memorabilia, Champions Trophy shop. You can also put in here a long headline if you want, as well as some descriptions that you can choose from. So just head over and then just choose on the things that they have actually given you. So that's how you create interesting text for Google Ads using WriteSonic. Hope we help.